Hi, I am Arindam Mullik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. Now, our today's topic is heap tree, heap data structures. Now, so in this video we are basically discussing on the what is heap. Let's start. First of all, we are discussing on the what is heap. Definition of the heap. Heap is a complete binary tree. What is the meaning of complete binary tree? I think you all know that what is a complete binary tree. I already discussed in this tree data structure series on my previous videos. On my first video of the tree, I am discussing that what is the complete binary tree. Okay, so heap is a complete binary tree. Next, in heap, all the nodes of the tree are maintained a specific order. Again I repeat, in heap, all the nodes of the tree are maintained a specific order. Next, duplication is allowed here. That means if you are comparing on the heap and the BST, the difference is that, main difference is that in BST where we are not be present any duplicate element, that means repetition is not allowed. But in case of heap data structure or heap tree, yes, may have some duplicate nodes. It is allowed in heap. Now, last point, we insert the elements level by level. That means in heap, we are inserting our elements or nodes in the level by level. That means, for an example, there is a first level. Okay, we are insert the node. Then next level fill up. Then go to the third level. If the third level fill, then go to the fourth level. This is the thing. So again I repeat, very important. Heap is a very important for computer science students on your academics purpose as well as your future purpose. Heap is a very important topic. So keep in mind. Now, first of all, so what is heap? Heap is a complete binary tree. In heap, all the nodes of the tree are maintained a specific order. What is the specific order? I will explain after some time. Now, next is duplication is allowed here. Here in heap, there may be some duplicate elements. That means repeat the elements. It is allowed in heap. Now, last point, we insert the elements in the level by level. That means we are inserting the elements on the level by level. That means if the one level is full, then only go to the next level. This is a procedure in the heap. Now, this is an example. Now, first of all, I ask a question. Is this tree a complete binary tree? What is the procedure? How can I find that tree is a complete binary tree or not? The procedure says that if we represent a tree on array, that means this is a tree, we represent this tree on an array if there is no gap between the first element and last element. Yes, that tree must be in the complete binary tree. What I try to say that if in this tree, this is a tree here, we represent this tree in an array if there is a no gap between the first index element and last index element. Yes, this tree is a complete binary tree. So in this example, yes, there is a no gap between the first element and last element. So yes, this tree is a complete binary tree. So first property is holding. That means heap is a complete binary tree. Next, maintain every node or maintain some specific order. What is a specific order here? If you are clearly observed, for an example, if you look at the tree, that means this tree, if you observe the root, what is the root here? 50. Now we are comparing with the left child and right child of the 50. That means 30 and 45. If you are clearly observed here, 50, that means root is greater than its child. Same if you are compare here, that means observed here in this left subtree, this 20 and 25 is lesser than the root, that means 30. Or we can say root is greater than or parent is greater than its child. Same way here also, 45 is a root here, that means this right subtree. 45 is a root and root is greater than this left child and right child. That means 45 is greater than the 42 and 43. That means here also we maintain a specific order. That means every time here in this example, parent always is greater than or equal to the child. This is the procedure. So we maintain a specific order. So yes, this is a heap. Now I ask the question, is this example, is this a heap? We check. What is the procedure? First of all, the first condition is for the heap, making a heap be a heap. Heap must be a complete binary tree. So first of all, we check, is this tree is a complete binary tree? How can we check? First of all, what is the procedure? First of all, we represent this tree in an array. This is a representation, array representation of this tree. Now we check what is the rule for the complete binary tree. Now we check if there is any gap between the first element and the last element. If you check, there is a no gap. So yes, this is a complete binary tree. The first condition of the heap is satisfied. Next, maintain a specific order for the nodes. Maintain a specific order. Now here, if you are clearly observed here, if you are observed that every time parent is smaller than there is left child and right child. Yes, if you are compared, like 10 is smaller than 30 and 20. Same way, if you are coming on the left subtree, 30 is smaller than 35 and 41. Or here on the right subtree, 20 is smaller than 35 and 23. That means here we maintain this specific order. That means every time here in this example, every time parent node is must be smaller than its child's. So yes, there is a maintain a specific order. That means yes, this is a example of the heap data structure or heap tree. Now next is types of a heap. There is two types of heap are present in data structure. First is max heap. What is the definition of the max heap? Max heap is a complete binary tree. As I already told you that heap is a complete binary tree. Same way, max heap also a complete binary tree. Satisfy the condition that every parent node having the value which is greater than or equals to its child nodes and root having the maximum value. This is called max heap. Again I repeat, max heap is a complete binary tree which is satisfy the condition that every parent node having the value which is greater than or equals to its child nodes and root must have the maximum value. It is known as max heap. What I try to say? What is the meaning of this line? That means the complete binary tree satisfy the condition every parent node must be greater than or equals to its child or root have the maximum value. I will explain later sometime with giving an example. Okay, this is the example of the max heap. What I try to say? What is the definition of the max heap? Max heap says that it is a complete binary tree. So what is the procedure? Is this complete binary tree? How can we check? First of all, we represent this tree on an array. Yes. Next, we are finding the checking is a complete binary tree or not. How can we check? If there is any gap between the first element and the last element? No, there is no gap. Yes, this is a complete binary tree. So first condition of the max heap is a complete binary tree. Satisfied. Then next condition, satisfy the condition that is every parent node having the value which is greater than or equals to its child node. What is the meaning of this sentence? That means every time the parent node value must be greater than or equals to its child nodes. If we are compared here, we are try to observe here. Now, first of all, we are starting from the root. What is the parent here? 50. What is the child? 44 and 45. Yes. Condition says that in max heap, the parent node value must be greater or equal to its child nodes. So here, maybe greater, that means yes, 50 is greater than 44 and 45. That means root is greater than or parent is greater than is left child and right child value. Yes, this is a MAXHEAP property successfully maintained. Next, if you consider this left subtree, now again we check 44 is greater than 43 and 42. Yes. Or if you check the right subtree also, 45 is greater than 41 and 39. That means every time parent is greater than the its left child and right child. Now we are compare with here. 43 is greater than 32. But here is a same. That means 40 here also repetition. That means yes, in him repetition also allowed. What is the condition? The parent node value is must be greater than or equals to with its child nodes. Yes, also equal to is also allowed. That means duplication is also allowed. So here it is equals to, and here 43 is greater than the 32. So yes, in every cases, in every parent node is greater than or equals to its child node. That means all cases the MAXHEAP property are successfully satisfied. So here all the parents having the greater value than its child, right? We are prove it, and root is having the maximum. Next is the what is the last condition? Root having the maximum value. Now if you are compared with this, means there is a all values, then 50 is greater than all. 50 is the largest or maximum value, right? And root element is on MAXHEAP, the root element must have the maximum value. So yes, 50 is the maximum value. If you are compared these left subtree elements or right subtree elements, 50 is larger than all or greater than all. So 50 is a maximum element. And in MAXHEAP, the condition says that maximum element must be on the root. Yes, 50, the maximum element must be on the root. Yes. So all the condition of the MAXHEAP are satisfied here. This is also root is having the maximum value. Yes, root is having the maximum value. So yes, this tree is a MAXHEAP tree. Next is MinHeap. MinHeap is a complete binary tree which has satisfied the condition that every parent node having the value which is smaller than or equals to its child nodes. Maybe it is a smaller, maybe it is a equal. Okay, it is also allowed. Smaller than or equals to its child nodes, and root having the minimum value. Root having the minimum value. Now, this is the example of the MinHeap. First of all, is a complete binary tree. Yes, it is satisfied the property of a complete binary tree. There is a no gap between the first element and the last element. There is no gap, so it is a complete binary tree. Next is parent node must be smaller than its child. Yes, smaller. 10 is a root, but parent is a smaller than is 30 and 20. That means right child and left child and right child. Yes. Now if you are coming on the left subtree, 30 is smaller than the 35 and 41. That means left child and right child. Same way if you go to the right subtree, same way here also 20, that means root or parent is smaller than this left child and right child. 20 is smaller than 35 and 23. Yes. All the properties are maintained here. Last property, smallest element must be on the root. Yes, what is the smallest element or among these? What is the smallest element? 10. Now here 10 is on the root. Yes, so all the properties of MinHeap are maintained. Yes, so it is a MinHeap. So here all the parents having the lesser or smaller value than its child. Root is having the minimum value. Yes, root is having the minimum value. So it is a MinHeap. So this is a basically introduction part of the heap data structure or heap tree. Okay. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will discuss on the how can you insert a node or insert a value in the heap. Thanks for watching.